Hi, this is Squeaky Squirrel. Today I'm going to show you how my green fire alarm works. I'm pressing this button. Hi, now I'm going to show you how to reset it. I'm putting this key in these two holes. Now I'm going to show you what's inside. Hi, now I'm going to show you what's inside. These are all the wires inside. That's the battery. If there's no wires or battery, there will be no noise. It has to have batteries and electricity. Right, now look inside. Here's the battery, here are the wires, here's the buzzer, and here are the switches. Okay, now I'm going to put it back together. Now I'm going to put it back together. I'm putting the button in. Now I'm going to test it. Thank you for watching Squeaky Squirrel. Please subscribe and press the like button.